Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Google Keep Chrome extension. This extension help you quickly save note, ideas, reminders and important information while browsing the internet. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now here you will search for Google Keep, then tap to open the extension, then click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Once installed, you will see the Google Keep icon in your Chrome toolbar. Click on the extensions, then mark it as pin. Now create a note, click on the extension, new blank note, like I'm opening any website, then click on the extension. Here you will take a note, like important points. Then click on create note. It will be saved note. Also, you can just right click any. Here you will see save current page to keep. Then you can set the page name, like save to keep. Then click on this add label, like important, and create one and add a title or add a note, then create note. It will be showing in your keep. Click on the go to keep. You will directly in the Google Keep. You can also create to-do list, reminders, quick notes while browsing, organize your notes, access notes anywhere, and that's it. So this is how you can use the Google Keep Chrome extension to save and organize your notes easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.